Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Messer, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video with Seria,
NPP 4 Traba. I choose what man constituency executives. So, Mumade. On behalf parties or constituencies for the so many baby in the election 2028 and one far battle on to baby now. I couldn't be no better. Ana Oma Ayoma Konya Omwea Mesre Mashada Mayedi Adi omudi ya meno adi ameye NPP for what do you say in Tegana ha
This is the reason why I me say ya meti. This is the reason why I Ghana suffer for me for almost serious. And Mimi who say they are not serious. This is the reason why I me say ya meti. Me who say Ghana suffer for no bebre na nye serious. Because nia Owusu Bempah okay. Nia oyi. Muslim imam bia ni obeya ade a Owusu Bempah yi. Imam kurapo de makwa echiri. Malam bia ni obeba bontia beya ade Owusu Bempah yi. Ede na NPP for the year. Ede mpa na nti NPP party na eda wono. Ede mpa na ode ye Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah mbra bonti meka ne NPP de ye no. Ede na NPP de ye Owusu Bempah. Wo say NPP wo mo to aba abetena konya benso. Na wo mo bebobo wo mo konya abetena ha abetena so. Ana so say akonya na President John Dramani Mahama teso no onu bi na mo pese mo betena so. The same Owusu Bempah na sisi ano all kasatia NPP no. The same Owusu Bempah ni wura efi say all kasatia President John Dramani Mahama any NDC government. So Owusu Bempah ni wura efi ne ho a ene me kai no.
But Ghana penifo bebrebe a hypocrite. And men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan kore. Se Ghana fo nim no mo san ma John Mama be president biema enye be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo date nto.
Has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa ho.
Oti asema Owusu Bempah kan. According to Owusu Bempah, or say President John Dramani Mahama, according to Owusu Bempah, according to man of God, or say President John Dramani Mahama, moja yefeni moja waninsano. According to Owusu Bempah, or say President John Dramani Mahama, moja waninsano. Na Ghana fu nim, na womu nim, na womu tuaba. Adema President John Dramani Mahama no betena Ghana konya ne so a ensem ebesisi no enye ensem keto a Owusu Bempah no kan o se man of God bebre na ye hypocrite wo mo nka ne kore nti wona wo ka ne kore na wo nya hypocrite no emiri bi atwam na wo ba se NDC. The same Sofo na within just seconds. No sin yankopon wa yi a kire ne say President John Dramani Mahama na kuma mu fita. The same president. Prophet a wo ba bontin be ka say President John Dramani Mahama muja won insano. The same president who be say NPP for ba be abeye den. Na dia ye de ye me no according to Owusu Bempah or say ade NPP di year no yet Ghana ha so NPP and Sumasi Yankochi Owusu Bempah inti ade be na oka ho asem yet Ghana ha NPP fo ndidi Owusu Bempah tam yet Ghana ha NPP and Suma police force wo mon konchi Owusu Bempah yet Ghana ha NPP anyo Owusu Bempah hwe inti die na Owusu Bempah ka ho asem ade NPP for share ne bo se wo mo be mani bibi na wo mo amana ana ani ntina ene watani na chi ama NPP ana question mimi bisa no because o se ade a ye de ye no ni ensu Ghana ye ya ne yete ye hu ni se NPP akochi Owusu Bempah ye hu ni se NPP adidi Owusu Bempah tam inti die mpa
111 hospitals. Agenda 111. If you start from Maxim in the Everett area, there isn't even a single hospital which being built with a name under Agenda 111. Not even one. When you go to Elembere, there is no hospital, no Agenda 111 hospital. Now when you go to Jomala, not even one Agenda 111 hospital. Master, how do you want me to describe it? Hey, but nobody who father, no, can I mind? Maybe some more come to me say if you have offended the government, let me know. 3 constituencies, not even one Agenda 111. Meanwhile, the oil fund is in Zama. Meanwhile, you guys are making money from the oil fund. Meanwhile, the people of Zama, they are bearing the brunt of all hazards. The heat, the searing heat in the evening. In the evening, you can't sleep when you go to a time in the evening.
This is the reason why I want your hene. Na politics ekata wania. Se ni na ewie. Wo your hene a wote wakonya so. Na wo so wo di ohene na obema wo ho kwan. Na politics akata wani. Anaso se wo bedo party A na watam party B. Ana obedo party B na what time party A se wo yo hene na saa adwini wei ene botaye wei ene wo wani so ase ni na ewiewu enenze my hene gina ho ka say Agenda 111 hospitals no na Akufo-Addo ansi bi ewe bia na oboboye no inti mi bisa saa ohene wei say elembene na ose na Akufo-Addo amfa Agenda 111 amfa mba wono sa project we sa hospital we ehimfa na esi
111 hospitals. Agenda 111. If you start from Maxim in the Everett area, there isn't even a single hospital which being built with a name under Agenda 111. Not even one. When you go to Elembere, there is no hospital, no Agenda 111 hospital. Now when you go to Jomala, not even one Agenda 111 hospital. Master, how do you want me to describe it? Hey, but nobody who father, no, can I mind? Maybe some more come to me say if you have offended.
It is our hospital. It's himfa. Enye elembe nesi. Hospital na wujina ho na wo say elembe no na Akufo-Addo amfa hospital amba ho no. Agenda 111 amba ho na ene wababonti na wo si wadi NPP for ho ya wadi na Akufo-Addo ho ya no. Sa hospital we na yaye ne government hospital elembe no sa hospital we esi himfa. Sa hospital we no esi himfa. Enye elembe na wo ka ho asema asa ohene a wo pese wo chichiri kuro. Asa ohene a wo de kura no. Sa why wadwen so obeta ne se party A ado party B ya. Ebesi de na party na wo tan no. oba power odi mpuntu aba okurum ebeside na party now wu susu se wo tan no oba power obeside na odi mpuntu e de aba okurum elembe na wo ka ho asem na wo si wadi NPP fo ho ya no NDC buy no obesi bi esi ho NDC ba power no wababe kukuru elembe no wababe kukuru hospital di esi ho nti sa hospital di esi elembe no sa hospital no e wandia wan esi wan esi sa hospital no wan esi mi bisanze mahene wan esi sa hospital elembe na wo sa agenda 111 na Kufuor ensi hospital ensi ho no sa hospital say yaye no government hospital at elembe no sa hospital infa na esi wo hene sa wo hene wo wukurum no kasase ya ebeside na wukuru no atumpon o hene esese ugira ne nanso na impuntu ba no se wo pese mpuntu ba tama na NPP so no ane na nke esese wo ye bibi wo fight se mpuntu beba wukurum enya afie ya NPP afiri so no ena wo ba beka ho asem wo beka ho asem ade na be se wo yo hene na nka wo ye serious ohene ena na nka wo ye serious se wo pese mpuntu eba wukurum ana wasase so a na nka mene ma NPP so no ena nka sese yehu seriousness na enya afie na NPP afiri so na wo ba be kompreni yeyi ana afie na wo ba be kompreni wo kompreni ayeden watena ho amade na ase yawie ma nkofo na ade na adiegu afie na oba be ka ho asam wo be ka ho asam na enye den o ba be ka ho asam na ayeden
the youth ebisa say Sammy Gyamfi won infa. And the reason is say before election 2024 Sammy Gyamfi a part of the people who were very, very, very vocal.
John Mohammed's solution is 24-hour economy. He says he has not heard some. He mentioned zero. 24-hour economy. Even a kid in Ghana today knows it. John Mohammed's solution to unemployment, Women's Development Bank, National Apprenticeship Program, farmer service centers and farm banks to create jobs in the area of agric. Women's Development Bank to add 2 additional shifts to our work cycle. To
very vocal. Omunim science ni nyina, omunim can say campaign promises ni nyina. So we knew prior to going to the power to election say NDC be winning. There were a couple of things that they had promised us. Back where 24-hour economy. Sammy Gyamfi told us say nipa baku beko juma anopa ewiano a different person enyumreno another person will go, and that is what the 24-hour economy according to Samino meant. Now they even went ahead to promise say such 24-hour economy ebe affected government agencies. Now you and I were told say passport office almost at 24-hour economy patro busami biso Mr. Ebisa where the asembisa. Have you heard say anybody has gone to passport office aqua register anajoda? Me, I've not heard one. Bakuse Krapo, I've not heard. Nobody will wake up 1 a.m. Who call here, me call passport office, me call registration. This Sammy Gyamfi. Passport office no enka 24-hour economy no one. You people are so disgraceful. Yankona enkotia 293 or so filling stations are running the 24-hour economy. How can you tell me this story? Now, NDC for no, yeah, I'm going to say a genius. Sorry for my choice of word. Filling station, private filling station for more business that they have been doing and almost serving for night and yen no and NDC for time say a your mumu achievement. Sammy Gyamfi. Come out and talk, loud mouth. Come out and talk. Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet, Sammy Gyamfi? Where is the 24-hour economy you promised the youth of this nation? Where is it? 24-hour economy no ewa hifa. Secondly, you promise mami phone say who the World Bank Women's Bank eba. As our Women Bank who sami jentuka say that Women Bank was going to give loans to our mothers at a cheaper rate. At a lower interest rate. Sami jenfi 18 months no show me the Women's Bank headquarters. Pesa minko. I want to see the Women's Bank headquarters. NDC for SCA. Bank. Mami for. Market women can go and get loan for them. Ebushan for baby bia or Ghana habia. Se ope photographers. Omunim Juma. Ebano editing. Omutra pictures. Omu cameras. Akesie. Lenses. Akesie. Omu drones. Ni bia ope biano. A touch of Zoe photography for. Omunaba air screen so esa will contact you say a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say assassin been pona one now person who hear drone video, in drone pictures of assassina. But more than say I contact the touch of the photography. Baby upe some way jumanuma gonna have a piano. Omu claro no me yamau. And I'm very, very, very affordable. So upe so a birthday photo shoot. What more manoni, but so surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more they say only touch of the way photography for wedding como. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.